Hi viewers, welcome back. Thanks for watching my other videos and liking the videos. Today I am here with a very interesting video. We are going to do some coding with the Visual Basic, but this time instead of Excel, we are going to do this coding with MS Word and see how we can integrate or use Visual Basic coding within MS Word. This will be a very short, quick, small program just to give you a feel and look of Visual Basic integration with MS Word. So let's see how we can integrate this small code in our Word document. So what we have to do, we have to just simply open a Word document. We can open a blank document, or we can open an existing document. For example, if I just go over there, I can see this SAP FICO 3, a document that is saved on my folder. I will just open this document, and you can see these are SAP notes that I have created for myself. We are going to do some VB coding on this document over here. What we are going to do, we are going to use this username feature over here. As you can see, if you go to your file and options, and you can see the username uh, uh, box in this pop-up window and initials down here. So this will be populated by your computer, by your Word automatically, but you can rename and you can change the initial as well. So what we are going to do, we are going to change this username mentioned in this box to greet ourselves. Whenever someone open the Word, the system will say hello, and the username with that message. So let's see if we can do this. First of all, you have to activate the developer option in your Word. So if you do not know how to enable the developer options, because it is by default it is not shown, you have to go to this file and options, and under the options you will see the customized ribbon option. If you click customized ribbon, go down on your right hand side menu items, the second last option, you will always see a developer option. Most of the time it is unchecked, so if you check this box, you will see that developer option appears over here. So I have checked it, and by checking this option, you can see the developer option is appeared. What I will do, I will simply click the developer option. As you can see, the similar options that as you can see with Microsoft Excel, whenever you work with Visual Basic, Visual Basic Editor, macros, and add-ins, and many other useful tools available over here. What we are going to do, we are simply going to use this Visual Basic Editor over here. And when I click the Visual Basic Editor, you can see this small window opens that allows us to write a code. So what you have to do is simply double click on this document link over here. And this is the working area now, and we are going to write something over here. So what we want to do, we want to see a message that says hello and your name whenever you open the document. So we need something to happen on opening the document. We need that event to trigger when the document is open. So we need the document. And what kind of trigger we need? We need the document open. There are other triggers as well. When you close the document, when you open the document, when you press enter, when you press exit on the document, you can use all these triggers. But at this moment, we are going to use document open. Document open event to activate or trigger our code. What I have to do, I just need to create a variable code. I can say dim, say username as string. So obviously it is a string. over here, and I am simply has to allocate that application dot username. So what I'm doing over here, so this application is obviously Microsoft Word, and the username is that box that I showed you over here. If I just go back over here and I will show you this is the application and this is the username that I have just used over there, application.username, and I have stored that in this username variable. Now I have to just display MSG box, simple. What I want to say, for example, hello and plus username. Here you go. It will display hello header, and let's see if this works. I have to simply save it, and let's see. I have to save the document and close the document. Here you go. Let's open the document by double click. And here you can see hello header is appeared. Whenever we open the document will display this small window saying hello header. So if you want to change, for example, if I just change the option to from header to Spider-Man and say okay and press save, and now let's see what will happen when I open this document again. Hello Spider-Man. So the Visual Basic is using uh, that username facility, that username feature over here to greet you whenever you open the document. And you can obviously control this by you can control the message by saying good morning, good afternoon, or good evening by calculating by a program in the current system time as mentioned over here. And if you want to see that, I have that video. I did that on Excel. It is in my video library. Go and have a look there. The program is there. You can see how you can change control this message. The system will say good afternoon. If it is in the afternoon time, the system will say good morning if it is the morning time. So this is a very quick short video that explain that how we can use this Visual Basic with MS Word. I hope you like the videos. More and more videos are coming uh, on uh, on Visual Basic with Word. So do please subscribe my channel and press the bell notification so that you know the new video is there. Thanks for watching.